What's up, friends? Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check my activity on Google. So once you're on your computer, open up your browser, guys. And if you're using Google Chrome as an example, you will open your browser and you'll most likely be at the Google homepage, right? Something like that. If not, you can just go to google.com and you will be taken over to the Google homepage. Now, you want to ensure that you sign into your Google account, right? As you can see in the upper right, I have mine. If you are not, you will have the option to sign in. Now, once you click on your account at the top, you should see something like this, and you will find the option here that says manage your Google account. You click on that. Now, under this section here, guys, look towards the left side, and you will see one of the options in the list that says data and privacy. You click on that. Now, here you will scroll down a bit and you will see the button that says View My Activity. Here you can see, right? And you just click and View My Activity. And this is how you'll be able to check your My Activity on Google. As you can see, it will also show you what kind of activity you have turned on or off. You have the web and app activity. As you can see, the timeline is off right here, but you also have YouTube history and so forth. So all of this tied into one, and you can scroll down and you can see all of your activity, things that you've watched, and all of those good stuff, right? So this is how you can check your My Activity on Google. Very easy and very simple.